Hi, my amazing chefs. Welcome to Recipe Specialty, where we show you how to make a variety of recipes from eggs to eggceptional. In this video, I'm going to braise some leeks. What I used to prepare this dish was a couple fresh leeks, minced garlic, some olive oil, and good old salt and pepper. This is a really straightforward and easy recipe. With that said, let's get cooking. We start off by cutting the leek so that we could clean it. Make sure not to cut the root end off the leek. That way it will stay intact when you wash it. With a sharp knife, start about an inch from the root end and slice all the way through the length of the vegetable up towards the leaves. Then give it a quarter turn and cut again the same way. You should now have a quadrant of sorts. Then you can separate all the leaves like so and look at all that dirt, and give that a good rinse under the water. After you've rinsed it, chop the leeks, starting at the leaf end, working down towards the root ball. This doesn't have to necessarily be perfect, but you're looking for about 1/4 inch slices, and you want uniformity so that everything cooks at about the same pace. Heat a pot or a pan and add a good drizzle of olive oil. Add the garlic, but you don't want to overcook it, so pretty much immediately after adding the garlic, add the leeks right into the party right behind it, and give all that a good stir. Then we're going to season the pot generously with salt and pepper. Once it's been seasoned properly, add in a 1/2 cup to a cup of water, which will help the leeks saute. After the water has been added, give it another good stir before covering with the lid till most of the liquid has sweat out. After the leeks have been braising for a few minutes, uncover, give it yet another good stir, and finally scoop out the cooked leeks into a bowl, taste, add more seasoning if needed, and enjoy. I usually serve this as a side to salmon, but it really pairs well with almost any meat or fish. Please let me know what you think. If you made this, did you tweak the recipe at all? Do you have any suggestions? I'd love to hear all your feedback. Thank you. Have a great day. If you all liked this video, do me a huge favor, hit that like button, subscribe, check out the website. Ultimately, let's eat!